Hi everyone, welcome to week 26 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy hexagon motif. Before getting into the project, I'll let you know what are all the stitches we are going to use. We'll be using a magic ring, chain stitches, double crochet and slip stitch. So first, to begin with, you shall make a magic ring. Now, once your magic ring is ready, you shall make the 3 chain stitches. So, this 3 chain stitches will act as a 1 double crochet. Now, you can start making double crochets into the magic ring. So, now you can check the number. So, total 11. So, including the chain stitches, it will be 12.
And then use on two and 3 and 2 I'm usually never listen as so that and good good just about them thanks and it was on the dead one should don't touch me.
And so now we are done with the 11 double crochets. Now you can pull this tree length so that you can form a circle now. And now just by making a slip stitch, you can connect it on. So with this, row 1 is ready. Do row 2. So again we are going to start from here, the chain stitches. So we will be making 3 chain stitches. And now 2 more chain stitches which will act as a turning point. And we will be making 1 more double crochet into the same loop. Now you shall repeat the same process. So you can leave the yarn into the gaps. So now I'll be making 2 double crochet on the next gap. And in the next I'll be making 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 more double crochet. So now you shall make again 2 double crochets in the next gap. And now 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 more double crochet. So these chain stitches will make the hexagon pattern look more evident. So again 2 double crochet, then here 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 more double crochet. So I'm going to repeat the same till the start point.
You like to write it's yes in this place and so I like to use some other things and just as it was this person to resin is in tone. This was a box and this is me. Body bring to the thing. So there's no freaking tools allowed. And then shooting is about some big daylight into life and I moved in the suit. It's means of the initial is mine. Second,
Now you shall connect it to the third chain stitch
during the
with the slip knot. And now here your hexagon is ready. So to make this as a charm, if you would like to make this as a charm, you can leave as much as yarn you want here and cut off the excess. You shall cut the excess and you can bring this starting point. So the starting magic ring with it. So if you want some gap, you can leave it or you can just pull it so it will close. Now just make sure you are bringing this to the nearest point so that it will be easier for you to make a knot.
you're singing that. Instrument. What?
So now this is ready.
Just
To hide this,
click.
in the back side you can just pull this excess yarn in 2 to 3 loops so that it will get secured. I have done it in one place.
I'm first.
And I'm going to repeat this in few more stitches.
Actually, it's going to be so good.
So you can hide it in random places as well. So once you are done hiding, you can cut the excess yarn. To have seamless hiding, you can start penetrating from the beginning stitch itself. So here our hexagon motif is ready. Hope you all like it. Thank you for watching.